reading. Who reads a book nowadays? Like, she's reading, legit reading. I'm just enjoying my little Dutch bros. That looks like
JJ Dutch.
Yeah.
Pig.
Pig.
Got you.
Oh yeah. If you don't know, we made she made a hashtag for herself because she goes to Dutch Bros a lot. It's called hashtag JJ Dutch Pig. So whenever you post a picture of you with Dutch Bros, just hashtag that.
Coming out with a sticker pretty soon.
Yeah. And t-shirts, you know.
I'm not kidding.
You guys don't smell this right now, but it stinks. Seriously, so
Smells
horrible.
like straight up ass.
Yeah. Literally.
Like
Please.
Like
God. Oh.
big, nasty guy from the gym, and he's like working out ass.
Well, we're going to Brett Myers. Finally. These two need to go to the bathroom. Yeah, I'm surprised they have a Brett Myers here. Why?
So we're at Fred Meyer's now.
Playing a game.
We're trying to spot the Asian. Then my mama. Huh?
Does she need help? That's her mom.
The vlog. Say hi.
No, I don't say hi.
Say hi.
Okay, you can't see this, but they're literally hiding behind something. Don't know where they are, but they're trying to play hide and go seek with me, and I can't find them. And I just lost them when I was pressing the start button. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, I see them! My life sucks. I can't see you! You're wearing coral! They're not slick. I see them. Right there. Oh my gosh, I hate them so much.
We're hiding from Mocha. Don't know why. We're hiding from Mocha. Oh god, I'm out of breath.
Too much running for one day.
Okay. I honestly don't know why we're hiding from her. Oh shit! I don't know why we're... I don't know why we were running.
We're playing hide and go seek. She saw us. We have picked our spot. This very flat land. We were gonna go over there, but look. Oh, there's a whole bunch of things. We have 3 cars. People. A cabbie. Those are the guys. We're setting up the tents right now. This tent seats, seats 4 people, but we're gonna have 5 people in here. Doesn't matter, we're all skinny.
Oh no, but it's not new. That's new.
This?
Yeah, because we just opened that box.
Who knows? We're faster than the boys. Look at them. They haven't even started. They're still figuring out what to do. They're looking at the ground like nothing. And we have our own little tent. Yay. So pretty. This is the Tillamook Beach. Oh, so bright. Here, let me see if I can. Oh, it doesn't be bright. Outfit of the day! Really though, look at her. Yeah, I'm scared of those dogs. They're like really. Oh, dude, that guy's like digging a hole. Last time our friend did a hole, it was pretty amazing. Oh, cool. Family running on the beach. Aww. Family goals. That's so cute. That's really pretty over there. Yeah.
I'm not gonna take this off until I take that picture.
Okay.
Or until we take pictures.
Okay, we should start taking pictures. Okay, we're just biking right now, and I'm on this friggin' mountain bike that's really hard to brake. Like, I can't even touch the brake. I can't even touch, like, everything. So yeah. And I'm behind. Probably don't have the best. Oh, there's a car behind us. I don't know where we're heading to. And Janie's just on her phone. Or we're actually looking at memories.
I was looking at my Snapchat this morning. Who died in me?
I can't sleep because Cindy's snoring way too loud. It's morning. I think it's 7:30.
Is it? I don't know.
Yeah, either 7:30 or 8. But this
Jenny.
is
She has the time. Oh no, she put her phone on.
breakfast. It's right there. Good morning. She's really tired. She's not a morning person. That's her mom.
Really not.
And that's Cindy. This is what she's eating.
That's cool. You should show them your hash brown.
Oh yeah, I have a hash brown in my little burger. And I'll like this in the morning.
You did not wake up like that.
I didn't wake. Oh yeah, I didn't wake up like that. We did take our time to put makeup on and stuff. Woke up at 8, fell back to sleep. Say hi.
I think I wake up at 8. We go like at 7.
Who went back to sleep at around 8.
No, you're in and you're out, you're up and you're down.
They've been singing for the past like entire day. Like they sing all the time. What did you guys sing? Like High School Musical,
Katy Perry,
Kelly Clarkson, Human.
you're only human.
Oh my
And
god.
I bleed when I fall down, and I'm only human. And I crash and I break down. Words in my head, knives in my heart. You pull me up and I fall apart, 'cause I'm only human.
You see what I deal with? Y'all see what I deal with?
You got fun?
Yeah. Say hi to the camera.
Hello. My daughter.
No, it's YouTube.
My YouTube.
My YouTube.
Say Juicy J.
No.
That's my name. That's my name.
Not Julie J.
Juicy
Juicy.
J.
Julie J though.
Yeah. High five.
Julie đấu thừa.
No.
Jenny đấu thừa.
No.
Đấu thừa đó.
No. You're not funny anymore.
You have never been.
No. I don't cut my nail. Wait. She's cutting her nails. Oops. Outside, like right outside this tent. So Asian. Seriously.
Hey, at least not my toenails. Julie Lou, we were on the max and we were going somewhere and she was cutting her toenails in the max.
That is so ghetto.
Look at my
True
fingers.
Portlander. Keep Portland weird, guys.
The last one.
Oh,
I am what?
wait.
No.
He's on
The floor?
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
You guys are too funny.
We only got like a second left.
Oh.
Fast. I can't see
Yeah, I
it.
need the title.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
All the time.
Keep on going.
No.
It's not
It's not
forward.
November, but
It's not forward, but
We're not going forward. We're going.
Listen,
turn around and think it
December
all
something.
right.
It's not forward, but
We're
it's
going.
before.
No.
Oh,
After.
No.
That's not me.
with nothing in your sweet smile, so good to me, so right.
I don't know that song.
Oh,
Pass.
I passed. Yeah, I don't know how that one goes. See, this one is I don't know.
Yeah.
But it's.
I don't know how.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get it, Janie. Get it.
No, that's
Shit, I forgot.
7. Okay.
Lady Gaga. Paparazzis.
Pass.
Party rock.
Impossible.
Yeah. Angry. Mad. Frustrated. Angry. Frowning.
I'm a very.
When you go like this.
I'm a very cat.
Grumpy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it recording?
Okay. Oh my
I
god.
just
There's a
showed
lot
it.
of in your eyes. There's a
It's not love, but it's.
another word for love.
I want you.
Yeah. Romance. Like you have a very in your eyes.
You don't pass.
Shine.
It's class without the C.
What the fuck?
You
Another
suck.
word for shy.
Oh, I thought it was. I thought that's what it meant.
You suck. Skip it.
Oh, I'm mad.
Angry.
Yeah.
Begging. Begging. You said that already. Wanting.
Pleading.
You should be like needing.
Oh my
with the
god.
P,
I'm
with the-
you.
Now it's messing
You.
up.
You.
Not clumsy.
Ready.
Not clumsy. Not clumsy.
Silly.
You fall a lot. You fall a lot.
Sounds like a Teletubby name.
What? Dubby.
Teletubby name. It sounds like it.
Dorothy.
Pass. It's not tipsy, but it's.
Ditzy.
Yeah, it was Disney. Oscar is really smart, but he's
Stupid.
no, he's very
Dumb.
No.
Annoying. Annoying.
Like sleeping.
You don't want to do anything.
Lazy.
Yes.
God.
How do you
That
show
looks
this?
very
How do
good.
you show this feeling?
Looks very
I don't
good.
get this.
Very good.
Like that food looks.
Oh my gosh, hungry. I'm very hungry.
No,
Starving.
it's not. You should skip this. Pass. Trey, he's always.
Oh my god, energetic. No.
Fierce.
Yes.
He didn't chew it, he ate it and then digested it and then went back and had the phone for dessert. Another time my son had colic and this guy sat up all night, didn't move, but stayed right there. As far as the regular dogs we had to handle.
Oh, you got a fighter here? Let's hope for the best.
Hả?
Bên trong ăn tôi không hả?
Tại bài chứ không phải tại ông.
Oh wait. Turns on.
I would do it.
Oh, is that shrimp? Ooh, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, it's recording. Hi guys.
Oh my god.
You guys can't see us, but we're back in our tent.
Here, let me try to put a flash on.
Oh, you still can't really see us. Well, there's Mocha.
Or there's Cindy.
There's Cindy. Don't want to
Can't
see
see
me.
her.
I don't have makeup on or anything.
I'm sleeping with my makeup on because.
Which is really bad for her skin and her eyes and everything, but she's
It's
not.
alright, I have nothing on my face besides my eyes.
It's still bad for your eyes, but it's okay. She doesn't care. So,
He's doing the same too.
we just got done making s'more. Mocha doesn't know how to mix. She burnt her marshmallows twice.
Well, the first time I did it on accident. The second time they kind of told me to.
It
I
caught
did.
on fire and she wasn't able to blow it out.
It was too long.
She can't blow, guys.
Yeah.
She doesn't know how to blow.
Do I look like a ghost?
No, you look weird.
Cindy.
And there's a
Lower
baby
your garage.
crying.
No. Cindy, turn. Right.
Ah, I see his hair.
Literally, turn.
I just did.
She did. Oh, that's even more scary. Okay. Bye. See you guys tomorrow.
Morning. This is her sleeping. Snoring.
We're at the Tillamook Cheese Factory and ice cream. Oh, you're packing
That's cheese.
This is the assembly line.
The Ford assembly
In
line.
lifetime.
There's like 2, 4, 6, 7 people working.
Yeah. Yep. See, that machine is doing everything.
Yeah, literally.
Right?
I don't know why these two aren't open though.
They probably don't need it.
Oh, maybe it is too early, yeah.